In this video, we're going to solve a couple of problems that require us to regroup to multiply. So the first problem we're going to solve is 42 times 5, using the standard algorithm. So when we multiply 42 times 5, we're going to start with our ones place, and we have 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So our ones place is the 0, and we're going to carry our 10 that we have to the tens place now. Then we're going to multiply 5 times 4. 5 times 4, knowing that the 4 actually represents 4 tens or 40. 5 times 4 is 20. So we have 20 tens and 1 10 that we carried, so we have 21 tens. So the answer to 42 times 5 is 210. Let's try one more. Let's try 68 times 9. 68 times 9. We're going to start again with our ones place. 8 times 9, or 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Our ones place here is a 2, and we're going to carry those 7 tens to the tens place here. Now we're going to multiply our tens by the 9. So 9 times 6, and 9 times 6 is 54. And knowing that that is actually 9 times 60 because the 6 is in the tens place. And so we have 54 tens plus 7 more tens, which gives us 61 tens. So 68 times 9 is 612.